You've mastered total concentration constant. You're one step closer to being a Hashira. You're bleeding from the gut. Concentrate harder. Focus. Good. You succeeded. So don't strain yourself. Make sure to rest up. Those eyes. Why would you go after a wounded person first over me?
Well, I dislike weak human beings. I can tell just by looking at you that you're strong. Become a demon, Kyojiro.
The two of us will never see eye to eye.
I see. All my years, I've never gotten to kill a flame Hashira. As a fellow master of the martial arts, I just can't comprehend it. Watching the hideous decline of someone blessed with your powers. Destructive death.
Aiming flame undulation! Close combat it is!
Those breathtaking sword skills will be lost too! Bother with that, weakling! Show me your strength!
A third form! Blazing universe! Flame breathing. Esoteric art! Set your heart ablaze. Overcome your limits. Turn and face me!